Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Milo, everybody is out. It is you and me.
I know. It is the best part of my day.
Because I am quiet?
Because you do not ask me how I am every 10 minutes.
How are you, Milo?
I am fine.
Good.
That is it? You do not ask me why?
You said you are fine. I have ears.
Chloe always asks why.
Chloe is 9 years old. She has many questions.
And you? How many questions do you have?
I have one or two. I keep them for the important days.
Is today an important day?
No, today is a Tuesday.
Good.
Milo, I have a question anyway.
You said today is a Tuesday.
It is a small question.
Ask it.
Why do you correct Johnny?
Because he is wrong.
Everybody is wrong. You do not correct everybody.
He is wrong loudly.
That is not an answer, Milo.
It is the only one I have.
Fine. Then a different question. What do you have, Milo?
I have a sofa.
And what are you?
I am a cat.
2 verbs, 2 answers, both correct.
Are you testing me?
I am talking to you. It is different.
With Johnny it is a test. With me it is talking.
Johnny needs a test. He likes them. You do not need anything.
Robert. Nobody has ever said that to me.
I know. That is why I said it.
I do not have anything to say now.
You do not have to say anything.
You used have to. In a real sentence.
I always use it in real sentences. That is where it lives.
Robert.
Yes?
Do you have to go? One day? You said Chloe has many questions. I have one.
I do not have to go, Milo.
That is not the answer to my question.
I know.
Fine. It is a Tuesday.
It is a Tuesday.
Robert. Sit down. There is space on the sofa.
On your sofa?
Do not make it a thing.